I have Born Sports Media. I Born Sports Media. Born again for a passports. The channel in Tebusan Baswa. Na waba den if you was subscribing if you was share na wa like page no wa ma wuni so enye bi so etumi so ahwe yen concept no so
is it the echo is 25 26 26 25 games so far. When are your best player? 25 na yabo no. Oh Ghana Premier
League. So far best player. Honestly Mamudika so I want to because this year the normal you of strikers midfielders and I'm sure this year so far league we pa there a subsidy we in ho pa there nke Samba Onel of Asante Kotoko.
Samba has been something else. This is in our league now.
Samba and Kotoko first. Yes, over here good now. Striker Albert Eshe Ansana. I'm pokudini the ever count and say you know. But Jibu goes now. I'm pokune Albert Ashaba Kotoko no. Albert.
Now all you do Samba.
I think Samba will be my best.
Who will be in mind and
it is an area me share them pay
attention to. But if there is one signer Kotokwaya, the technical team headed by Coach Ugum, IMC headed by Nana Pinkra, almost a basobodea Samba.
Of course.
I wish say Anke Omefo debi and I will attack a beer the quality level no it is a Samba. Omo players no mo train ni Paba Stadium no. But once one thing is football and celebrity defenders. Football and celebrity defenders and celebrity defenders tackles omo clearance. Ojina park ni so no bobo na omo se ne level no.
Owo bibia level. Na me
ana me mo picture bi so aba Razack. No kre.
Omo se Congo. Omo se Congo train na. Omo se edu obi na fe Congo asfo Congo
for baba.
Omo se obae. Na am say I this time kasem ko
so Samba na be
17 men.
Player of the season.
Yeah.
25 matches.
Yeah.
In Ntim Manu. Ahead of Samba.
Yes. He's the most used Kotoko player.
He's
the most important Kotoko player.
Ahead of Samba.
Yes.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, Jibo.
But Samba mixi game this season my own
mixi game.
Imagine.
Mixi brekum. Just Samba pry. Now Samba no disrespect. But he had a dip. Ewo. So 4 matches now Kotoko lose to 2 on.
And so no me yade.
Andrew Ntim Manu I flawless this season.
Ntim Manu na obo say as supported fu here.
Match be. Ntim Manu obo say.
Anya bodo kwani so atema okopim player bi
Ntim Manu.
At a form of
Debbie Ntim Manu has been flawless this season.
He has improved
flawless. Enya improve. Mr. Flawless.
Obo choose Ntim ahead of Samba.
Me say Jibo. Ntim Manu is the best Kotoko player this season. I can debate anybody.
He is the best Kotoko player.
And that makes
Ghana
him
League.
Yes. This season, he's the most important player for Kotoko. He's Jibo, wabo 6, wabo 8, wabo 10. And an on boy. Samba a flashy or a flamboyant. Okay. And because say enko ni munu wa pem ni adeno. This season, Kotoko best player. And that's no. The best player in the league this season, Andrew Ntim Manu.
Ahead of Samba.
Ahead of everybody.
The ABC. Maybe I'm say Samba ni na man for you interested kakra. Maybe slide before only slide. Or say good morning boss. Mobile is bringing another angle. I actually think the best player of this year's league will be keenly contested between Samba and Ntim Manu. Both players have been outstanding this season. when you go to the stadium, everybody talks about these two players, especially the improvement of Ntim Manu this season. And no, no. Austin, your love, or say, Striker, kindly tell Obed that that is his opinion. Yes, also the new opinion.
Oh, yeah.
Samba all the way. That's my opinion. Auntie Obed opinion, also do opinion number. Into opinion to opinion. Na the call your name. Chichis, or say there is no way Ntim is ahead of Samba O'Neil. It's never true. Okay. Michael Ajimandua, are you sure? Or say Obed. Ntim Manu is the worst player in Kotoko lineup. I don't think so. He adds nothing to the team. Without Blay, the Kotoko team is empty. I will go for Samba 2. Michael Ajimandua there, out there, Abanono. Adriana Ba St. Mark. Ntim Manu has been in the league for over a decade. Samba just came and took the league by storm. I will go for Samba O'Neil in Dogani. Okay, no, Adriana Badia, our day, Banono. Emmanuel Krantin Jr. Can we even compare Ntim Manu to Blay? I remember Blay made him stable. No, de Abano. Kofi Ajima, black man, our hair from Pig Farm. Kofi, yeah, that's Kofi Obia on fire your program, no, ND Agro. Okay. Michael Ajmendia. Was it Ogum is the only coach who will start Ntim Manu in his team? What does Ntim Manu ask to this Kotoko team? Did I hear Obed saying Ntim is flawless? Did Obed watch him against Ntim?
He has been.
Whatever, but I'm over the year no. Did Obed watch him against Nswateman? Did he watch Ntim at Obuase? Okay. Mami nhwe so akwa we so high pa o mumpe bebe na mum block na maye Agabus Bafo or say GPL best player in Ghana in any day is Samba O'Neil, exceptional player in the Ghana league. Ntim has done well, but Samba is super. Or also there and no David Odo say please watching you live inside hotel room B. Assemble cray. Kotoko all the way. David Odo hina she.
Onu kwa na show ana so obi le show.
Obi na na kwesi so say the player of the season Kofi Tompo. I see the executioner. Okay. Mamenko Obed Nezak na ba for yaba be league games minimum so comment e wo ho. Say Obed.
Bon. If I for published league matches
over the weekend
according to the Ghana Football Association. You be you TV so no na person me nua no ma omo ka me hu.
It doesn't make sense.
And yourself. So if you look at it, House of Folk versus Mediama. And these are the TV stations that almost ombe yama Ghana for ni wiase nyenye bia.
Okay. So House Mediama live on TV. Alpha Metro Net2 original.
Kotoko kick off no hu yama Mr. on TV.
3 p.m. 3 p.m. Sunday or Chinikwesie. Heart of Lions any Asante Kotoko. Sunday or China. Alpha Net2 and original TV. Tenusu 3 p.m.
Mpacho dia hin number no hin. Mambo ha misere mu madaroma. Mintimi musa etie phone because na nya asem ba mi no ha de betima bisa wo.
Dia behwe.
Mo behwe na dia hin number wo hin so.
Na TV.
Anya dia wo behwe no nko akeke but hin na be sa hwe wo.
Because they also be has the media no.
And also 3 people corner. Somebody is not thinking outside the box. Hey, but somebody is not thinking outside the box. And I say, a type of dia na ye jai. Say, ebia a type of ni jai. Ebia na me nisu na dada me so na jai. Na no dia yakasa ye pomcho na ye ne ye hu ni ye. But at least you say matches in China. We also know that kick-off at 3 p.m. This is the way our league is being managed. And by Ghana league no etimi aso aba man nkofo nya so mfaso
aya akono
ama na ya akono me say ahade e ba say bi ase ye ka ama no ne agro no a ye nkofo ama we dare mu amu pa mo ma me a weekend so we go Italy at 3 p.m. Inter Milan was playing Lenfant Sibia Juve. Then AC Milan was playing another top team here.
Juve, Inter Milan, Napoli, Roma.
Now, kick off the same time.
Just a mostly just a beer. Is it Boxing Day? And see a coin stay. Italy for no Roma for tea. Into Eastern day. First nana time in iPad. And Abunyam says it 25 or 26 Mbako. But aside no dear.
Because on we say the bear, Uncle matches never and Uncle call master in Southern Adi. But I am rare, Mimi who are not common, and you're normal. It doesn't happen. Because you see, Martina who you know, Neil Armstrong Motabe. On the strategy and BB visa or F. Hobebois. Akunya mi ti mo say we em no better na o ka kire say almost predict among many TV stations for the purposes of some be catch attention in terms of viewership no what me package dia kwakoton because say no mo kan you how are the TV stations going to show the same match, 2 matches at the same time on the same TV station? Omo mo hwe we pass program aye
ebi on bechem you TV no
screen no
screen on bechem you aha efa house ne mediama efa kotoko
and we we kakra no we kakra
everything possible
o we wait 15 minutes
on bechem screen him
now we dey to ha well
now we enjoy ni me no
any my so
just how when beje
my we draw me voice me ni bia meka biom any de maka bia no mo fa nche me
wa kan
ma jai me sra bebre say mo no mo ye TV for mo nim TV mo anu a de bia mo nim mo adwa no say mo fi say sa ye ne sa na say ye yi a o mo ma pacho this is you see anyo I didn't know so anyo somebody should be interested in the product and the brand no anyhow you package it and sell to the world oh and you say bia Sunday do things na to kwan fi baby mu fi akodu baby akobobo ya boy wie why ebony ya charge o nyanu ani say you say you are doing football wa anya hwe weekend in there ya hu so nsamtefo nya hwe nkantia yen na na ye te ho ni ya twan say blasters ka beba na yakoje anya no football ya no there are nitty-gritties I say we make sure say you have put finesse on all of this send ye be ya abetu be say ahihye kama fe me oko kan say o make say the foreign example back on Premier League no say if there's a top match I crash at the same time e be okwo be back Saturday be back Sunday say as if it is supposed to be even 3 crown and I say 4:30 na and back be Saturday back be Sunday etu wo ho no mo a no mo the fixture update aba so match way because of television here moving to this time don't they do it everywhere because when you say nkofo person on behwe na nkofo die chese on behwe no wo betima prepare package ni yie na okoton dia mawiase anase nipa na wonya sika dia abo teams no but had de nkofo no interested nyina ne say Saturday adu and Sunday adu matches na eba so okay week ni mu ano na announce fixtures no Kotoko ni house na it said the omaye ni the referee abeka ho na ye bom pa ye say ma bibia ensi no monko bom so ma referee bi nkodi foolish na bibia nko kama ye wie ya de ye hu so bibia ensi but senya ye timi for product no na ye hihye ma ne ya akono na obi na ma no opa echi akwan no na ye de agya so de pesika de makro no de eno de enka wo modadwene ho because yes I said the can say how on earth and they say we a supporter we will be a follower of the game we a Kotoko supporter we a house supporter ebi want to kwa year baby but person we have Kotoko match ni bi Kotoko ni Heart of Lions at 3 p.m. ukro na so no we person we house so de no hu say na so kwa time how are you going to watch this
now among chama stations name say kebia ayifui afafui eyi has any mediama na ko original so yi Kotoko
so then
and Heart of Lions
Kotoko format what you see some Kotoko there wa there be obi
looking at the coverage no de maye no seriously before mete even though me can so be touch screen you know. I don't know how on be say games in me at the same time. And I hope any idea about how on be say no.
Ebi on be back original TV. No you back Metro TV. That would be the only logical conclusion. No more original TV. No more Metro.
But based on the omodi amaye die, on be so mo say has ne media.
Bon fato so ebi am say
on Facebook there you can be live on one page, not 2 programs you're live.
Facebook.
Yes.
Okay.
So I want to believe on TV, no. Ombema ba akwa original. Mama ba akwa ba Metro.
Bon fato so and they said you're advertising in the city.
Oh, on say Facebook near the bonnet.
No, but maybe I'm to say almost you. Anya TV there no more can.
Yeah.
I'm on Facebook account.
O say you in Facebook
near. No, I'm not challenging that at all. Send there. Maybe tell you know, maybe interest. People who want to sit.
I want to also ask there. There's Net 2, there's original, there is Metro, there's Alpha. Making it 4 TV stations. So I want to believe it says I have 4 TV stations, you know.
2 way, not 2
way. That's what I want to believe.
And they say you don't advertise it this way.
Bon Sports Media, thank you for watching. We bring you more and more update of Ghana Premier League, most especially our 2 clubs, Asante Kotoko NFA, the Continental Club Master, Phobia, House of Oak, Nino Mohonsem Ebeba. Born again, the CEO of Bon Sports Media. But more than the like page, you know, we are now Washe Norma Williams, so any being so to me, so I salute you. Thank you, Yakupo for watching. Bye.